Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about April releases. I am so excited because today I'm also doing 15% off my entire Etsy shop because it's my birthday. I am 27 today. Oh my god, I'm getting old to think about it. But yeah, I wanted to do something fun just for my birthday. So if you're watching this on February 13th, hi, how are you? It's my birthday. I'm actually having 15% off on my entire Etsy shop, and you can grab everything that I'm releasing right now, all my April kits, all my small sheets, anything that's in my shop right now. You can go ahead and grab those at a discounted rate, which is so exciting for, of course, for anyone who's on a budget and who's been wanting to get stickers but can't because their budget won't allow it. Now you can see if you can with my 15% off sale that is going on only for my birthday, February 13th. So if you're watching this later or you missed it, I'm so sorry, but we're gonna get started with April. April is purple, so it's a month of purple. It's actually the month where I'm actually 11 years with Bae. Oh my god, I know. So I wanted to be something sweet but also very feminine. I don't know, I just wanted to choose that. So today we're gonna take a look at all my new releases and my new small sticker sheets that I'm gonna show you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy everything. So if you want to see all my April releases, then stay watching. Alright, so I kind of want to start with the small sticker sheets so you guys can see, for those who've been requesting some sticker sheets or you guys been wanting something different, I have your sticker sheets that I'm releasing. So first thing I want to talk about is the new utilities bill due stickers. A lot of you guys have been requesting that I do gas bill, electricity bill, and water bill stickers, and here they are. I've made a whole sheet for gas, electricity, and water, and as you can see, you got enough for 4 months. So each little section is a month because that's all you need. You need only one gas bill, hopefully. One electricity bill and one water bill. So I made enough to have 4 months in within a sheet, and I'll show you how that looks in a minute. I'm just gonna go through all the sheets. So if you've been wanting a water bill, electricity bill, and a gas bill, here it is. Now I know a lot of people wanted some by themselves or together, so I just went with the majority of the Instagram poll, and a lot of you guys just said mix them in, so I did. This is the sheet right here. So this is a utilities bill. I'm really excited about it because you guys can choose everything that you need within your month with this sheet. Next, I had someone request car payment bill dues, and honestly, I really like my car insurance payment sticker, so I just tweaked it a little bit. So for this one, I actually did car payment, and I added little dollar signs to this, so you can now mark when your car payment is due, and the other one you can have as just car insurance. So I'm really excited. It looks super cute. You guys, I'm a fan of the little money dollar sign. I cannot, I love them. So this is going to be a car payment in case you do have a car payment that you need every month. I do have a sticker sheet for that now. Next, I have a extra debt payment sticker. For me, I want to track in my month every time I do an extra debt payment, so I think this was perfect. This is something I wanted to see in a shop, so I just created it for myself, and it just says extra debt payment with the little deco, and I'm so excited because it looks so cute. Like now you can mark in your month every time you make an extra debt payment, so you guys can keep track of when that snowball is being made. So yeah, this is the small little sticker sheet. Next, I do have a reformat, and that is on my no spend stickers right here. As you guys can see, you get 15 no spend stickers in this sheet. However, I've been messing around with the sizing just because I do put a lot of stuff on my planner, and real estate in my calendar view is like precious to me. So I decided to go ahead and reformat it to have them smaller and have more in the page. The price won't change, but you will get smaller and more in a sheet. So I wanted to make sure that if you're going to do a no spend, because some people don't consider no spend even though there's a bill in there, they consider that a no spend because you didn't spend any money. that's not from your cash envelopes. So I thought that's great because you can fit a bill due, but you can also fit a no spend, and it won't be taking up so much real estate in your planner. So I'm really excited about this change. So moving forward, if you ordered no spend stickers, you will get this one starting February 13th. If it's in a past order, you will get this sheet, but starting today, you will be getting this sheet with more in it, and it stays the same price. So I'm really excited about this change. It's something I've been wanting to do. And if you've gotten like a sampler from me, I think that's around the size of this. So I'm pretty excited. And now I want to go ahead and move on to my April releases. I'm so excited, and I want to show you guys the washi because I'm really excited for the washi. I went with something different and something, you know, that's up everyone's alley. So for my floral babes, I do have this purple floral. It's super cute. It got some pinks, it got some purples and greens and yellows in here, so I love this. This is super cute. And then for my gals who really don't like floral, I do have this one, and I think it's so pretty. This is more me right here. I love this. It's just a nice purple. It kind of reminds me of the kaleidoscope, so I'm really excited about this. But these are my two washi patterns right over here. You do have the purple geometric one, and then you got more of a floral, and then I just combine those and put them in, you know, small washi. So this is gonna be my washi for April. It's super cute, and anyone, if you're a floral girl, you can get your floral. If you're more of a just colors in general, this one's pretty good. And then of course this just has everything in between. So that is my washi. I'm really happy with that. So here is the functional sheets. So this is the weekly check-in. So you got, you know, your nice colorful ones, and I like how this looks in a spread because it kind of does remind me of Easterness. So I freaking love it. And then I have the sinking fund. I do have the debt tracker, and then I have the transaction log, which is blue. So I like to now have everything different colors. I just like mixing the colors up. So this is the functional sheets right here. I freaking love these. This just makes me track my debt, my sinking funds, and my weekly spending. And next I do have the paychecks. So this is the April budget right here. Of course you have your April script, your deco, and your washi strips. I have paycheck 1, which they all look the same, and then paycheck 2, and of course I do have variable income, and I have paychecks 1 through 5 available if you're interested in that. And then lastly but not least, I did want to go ahead and keep the calendar, the floral pattern. I know a lot of you guys just like to buy the calendar view, and a lot of you guys are floral babes. So I decided to have the calendar just in the floral pattern. I'm into it. I think this is when spring happens. I'm not sure. We're like a lot of, you know, summer stuff starts popping out, so I thought this was perfect. So now let me show you how it looks in the Erin Condren. So this is my monthly deluxe. This is where I try to pre-plan all my sticker layouts. So I'm going to show you the functional part of it. So this is how it'll look if you choose the debt tracker, the sinking funds, or the transaction logs. Of course you can lay them out however you want, but this is how the washi will look underneath either of these, and I think it just looks nice because it has all the purples and the blues within those two patterns. So I thought that was super cute. And then we're gonna move on to the monthly overlay, and look how beautiful that looks. And then of course I did lay out all the small sticker sheets. So if we go over here, you guys can see how the water bill looks, the car payment, and the gas bill. And then we flip it over, you do have that extra debt payment, really small at the top, and then of course the electric bill. But if you want to see how the calendar view looks like, I think it looks so cute. You got your aqua down here that matches like the leaves within the floral pattern itself. It is purple, so I'm so happy about how this turned out. Now I'm gonna move on to the monthly budget, which is usually how all the paychecks will look, and that's how it looks right there. You can put some washi down here if you just want to close it out. And then if you move back here, you have the weekly check-in, and I think that looks super gorgeous. So I was very excited about this colorway. It just looks like Eastery, and also it's very colorful in purple, so I'm really excited about that. So if you're interested in how the weekly layout looks, that's how it'll look once you break it down with the colorful April washi. And then of course this is the April budget. This is how it'll look with the floral, and vice versa. You can really take a look of how you like the washi. I'm really happy about that. And then of course the functional area right over here. So that is my April releases. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really excited about everything that I came out with. Don't forget to use the code word BDAY15 for 15% off. Of course, I do want to put a disclaimer out. New releases are hectic as it is, and then having a sale on top of the new releases is going to be twice as hectic. So please be aware that I might take up to the 2 weeks processing time. So just keep that in mind, just because I know I might get overloaded with orders. But thank you guys so much for shopping my shop and supporting a small business. It means the world to me that you choose to shop in my Etsy shop. And oh my god, happy budgeting, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.